You want this type of smooth character pop-up animation. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy character pop-up animation step by step. Let's jump into the tutorial. I set all my clips with my music. I apply character pop-up animation on this clip. And I have two main beats for the animation. Now for the animation, freeze the clip part and drag it top of the clip and set like this. Now for the animation, have two masks, body and face, but I don't have pen tool in CapCut, so I create a mask by using Photoshop. Let's take a screenshot of this frame and now go into Photoshop. I create a same size composition in Photoshop. It's 1080 by 1080 and press Ctrl V to paste the screenshot. Select the screenshot layer and you see the select option in Photoshop. Click on that and choose subject. This will create automatic mask on your subject, but this mask isn't perfect, so I create manually with lasso tool. Okay, now hit the mask button on bottom of screen. This will create a mask. Convert this layer into smart object. Duplicate this layer. I rename it layers into face and body layers so you don't confuse. Hide the top face layer. Okay, create a selection with the pen tool. Create curve selection like this. Angle selection is done. Right click and make selection and hit OK. This will create a selection. Hit mask button. This will create a mask. Your body mask is done. It's time to add mask on face layer. Delete the background layer because I need a PNG. Select the bottom mask layer and press Ctrl plus click into the mask. This will show your mask. Unhide the face layer and hide body layer. Press twice the face layer and hit backspace and delete. This will delete your selection and you have a face PNG. Now create a white solid color and duplicate them and clipping mask to the layers, face layer and body layer. And export as PNG all layers one by one with the original and white solid. Now delete this freeze part and add a body PNG and face PNG. Set according to your beats. Now add keyframes on both sides of the body layer. Go to the first keyframe, scale it to 25 and drag out from the composition. Make sure X position is 0 because it's horizontally center. Now add keyframes on both sides of face layer. Go to first keyframe, scale it to 25 and drag down from the body layer. Make sure the face layer is bottom of the body layer. Split your face layer after 8 to 10 frames like this and replace it first part to the white face layer. Same process with the body layer. Split and replace it to white body layer. Go to effects, add glow to effect on your white layer. Set the glow to 75 and size is 30. Apply the same effect on face layer. Add last effect, go to effects and search chrome blur. All the layers into a compound clip by pressing Alt plus G. Add chrome blur effect on bottom of the compound clip. Add keyframes on both sides of effect. First keyframe blur is 0. Don't change the lateral chromatic aberration. And the last keyframe blur is 85. Now you are done. Let's check the final results. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more clean animations. Check out these 2 tutorials on screen. They are amazing and super helpful. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.